Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be doing part 2 of our try on or create a look from our last icon box of 2020, which was curated by Miss Pat McGrath herself. Now, the first one, as you remembered, we did the Beauty Boost item, and that one was the Huda Beauty Empowered palette. But today we're going to be using some products. Yes, there were more than one in this particular box by Pat McGrath. And those are the items that we will be using today to create our look. Okay, now I'll just go ahead and show you the items that we'll be using. Is the Divine Rose Luxe Quad Eternal Eden eyeshadow quad, and this is what the outer packaging looks like on that particular palette. This is what the inside looks like. Now, I haven't removed the plastic, and I probably won't because I don't like the look of fingerprints all over everything, okay? But let me show you what this quad palette looks like. Gorgeous, let me tell you. It's this one right here, okay? Can you see those shades clearly? All right, so this is one of the items that came in that icon box, and the second one that came in was the Matte Trance lipstick, and this one is in the shade 107, which is Oh My. Okay, now this is what the outer packaging looks like, okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. But of course, this is what the lipstick shade looks like. Okay, I am excited to use this one. Okay, now, of course, we will have to add some things to this to complete the look, and those items are most likely from Pat McGrath Labs as well. The first one being this one, I remind you, did not come in this particular icon box, but it is an eyeshadow palette just in case we need some additional shades, which I can't imagine except for this. Well, I'm going to show you what they look like first, and then of course you'll be able to kind of figure it out as well. So if need be, we'll have a matte black that we can use with the look. I don't know if we will need the shimmers, since there are shimmers in this particular quad, but you never know. We'll see. We have it just in case. All right, and of course, you know, I do have some tried and true pieces that I use along with any look that I create. Okay, so if you would like to see the look that we create using these Pat McGrath products that came out of our last icon box of 2023, please, by all means, keep watching. course, I will post some pictures up here of it up close so that you can really see what the eye look and the lippy actually look like. Okay, so let's just talk about this for a second. Of course, you know I don't wear lashes, so these are not lashes on. They are, it's mascara by Thrive Cosmetics. It's the lengthening. It is amazing. It is my absolute favorite, my go-to. Okay, and also I did use the black here for the liner. I wet my brush and dipped it in and used it as my liner, and I used this shimmer as my highlight shade. Okay, so tell me your thoughts. Let me know down below what your thoughts are. So just let me know what you think, okay? I did enjoy using these products. Y'all already know, those of you on my channel, that I really do appreciate the pigmentation, the ease of use, the color payoff of Pat McGrath products. Love them. Love them. And I did say I'm going to kind of chill out on the word love, that it is kind of being watered down, you know what I mean? And so when I say it, I want to really, really mean it for its intended purpose. However, as far as this shadow goes and her products, I really do like them. I like them very much, and I will continue to use them. So just, if you don't mind, leave your girl a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you have a favorite Pat McGrath product, list it down below, okay, in the comment section. Okay, I have a reason for asking. I'm not outing it right now, but if you do have a favorite, just list it down below. Okay, now I do want to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we did the second half of our November Icon Box using the curated products by Pat McGrath. Okay, now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are not a part of the Seasoned Beauties family, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but just go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Okay, we'd be more than happy to have you. All right, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.